Hello and welcome to this crochet tutorial. Well, I will show you how to make popcorn and place it on a garland string. This will be great for any festive occasion or especially at Christmas time where you may like to hang it on your Christmas tree. Come join me as we learn how to make these individual popcorn kernels and how to apply them to this garland. It's simpler than it looks. Come on, let's get started. The materials and the tools that we will be using to make our crocheted popcorn. Here I have some yarn which is doubled. It is a size 3. The hook that I'll be using is by Susan Bates. It's a D3 3.25 millimeter. We have a large eye tapestry needle in case it's needed, a pair of scissors, and here I have some pre-strung beads to place our popcorn onto. I have blue and gold. So to begin, let's place a slip knot on our hook towards the end of our yarn with a very short tail. Let's chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. In the third chain from our hook, we're not counting the one on there, counting third, yarn over, and pick up the top part of our chain. You'll notice that in our chain we have 3 places. Let's pick up the top one and pull up a loop. Here we're going to do an extended single crochet. So yarn over and just go through the first loop, yarn over, and then stop. We're going to do this 2 more times in the same space. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through the first loop, yarn over through the second 2 loops. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to do it 1 more time. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through the first, yarn over through 2. We now have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over through all 4. Snug it up and chain 2. This is what we have so far. Let's go back down to that same chain. We're going to do a slip stitch. Into our next chain, let's do a single crochet and chain 2. We're going to be doing the same stitches that we did before, and if you notice, mine have already curled over. Gives you a sign of a nice popcorn forming, isn't it? So yarn over, and in that same space, draw up a loop, yarn over through 1 loop, yarn over through 2, and then stop. This is what is known as a cluster stitch. So yarn over and pick up a loop, yarn over through 1 loop. This is part of our extended double crochet. So we have 3 loops. We're going to do it 1 more time. Yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over through that first loop, yarn over through 2. We have 4 loops on our hook. Pull through, snug it up, and chain 2. Okay? I'm going to show you how to do it one more time, and then I'm going to encourage you to complete the rest of our row. So let's single crochet or slip stitch first into that same stitch. Now we're starting a new one. In the next, single crochet, chain 2, extended double crochet cluster, pull up a loop, yarn over through the first, yarn over through 2, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over through 1 loop on the hook, yarn over through 2 loops. One more time, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over through 1 loop, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through all 4 on the hook, snug it up, 1, 2 chains, and then single crochet into that same chain. Now I'm going to tell you up front, this is going to curl. This is okay. So continue on till you get to the end, and I'll meet you there. All right, so at the end of our row, you'll notice that it curls up and twists and does all kinds of crazy things. You should have 9 of these little puffs or parts of your popcorn, and we have not cut our thread yet, and I'm going to show you why. Let's go ahead and pull over our string of beads here. I'm going to take it, wrap it around my string, make it do something crazy. Then I'm going to take and make a slip stitch into one of the chains, and that'll help secure it to our chain. Make sure your slip stitch is tight. I'm going to cut a little strand here, and then I'm going to pull it through. All right. I'm going to take my tail, or both of my tails. I'm going to put a little square knot on here. And I'm going to cut it real close. And here, shape with it, play with it. Looks like popcorn, doesn't it? I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I'm having fun. I know what my Christmas tree is going to get this year. Another thing too, you can even wear this as a necklace if you wanted to. Super simple. You can buy these at the dollar store. Costs $1 for the necklace here. So hope you had fun with this little crocheted popcorn. Till next time. Bye-bye.